I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch to an iPhone. First, make sure your Samsung Watch has at least 50% battery life. Then, power on your watch and keep it close to your iPhone. You'll also need to download the Samsung Galaxy Watch application from the Apple App Store. This app is essential for the connection process and managing your watch's features. Once the app is installed, open it on your iPhone. You'll see an option to Start New Device or Add New Watch. Tap this to begin the pairing process. The app will then search for nearby Samsung watches. Select your specific watch model from the list that appears on your screen. This step ensures you're connecting to the correct device. After selecting your watch, a pairing code will appear on both your iPhone and your Samsung Watch. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. You'll then be guided through a few on-screen prompts to grant necessary permissions and finalize the setup. Please allow a few minutes for the initial data synchronization to complete, ensuring all features are ready. With your watch connected, explore the Samsung Galaxy Watch application to customize watch faces, notifications, and other settings. Be aware that certain features, like Samsung Pay or advanced messaging, might have limitations when paired with an iPhone compared to an Android device. To ensure optimal performance and security, remember to regularly update both your watch's software and the companion application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.